And the third one is, will there be opportunities to network with professionals or people in the industry? Is this course suitable for beginners or for more advanced learners or the ones who have already started working in this industry?
Yes, our training is suitable for beginners. We have trained many students who have professional backgrounds like TV news reporters, corporate trainers, mass comm students, theatre actors, podcasters, etc. for working voiceover industry. But most of our students are beginners in this industry, but with an inclination for this type of work. So here you will learn everything from basics to professional level, accompanied with getting working experience through continuous live project participation as long as you want. The goal of our training is to make you a professional and not running classes.
The second one is, will the course also cover technical aspects or just creative aspects like voice techniques? Technical aspects, by that I mean recording and editing softwares or with professional equipment. So is that also something that you're going to cover?
Yes, of course. All the technical aspects like recording, studio setup and home recording, editing techniques will be taught during the training.
Then the third one is, will there be opportunities to network with professionals or people in the industry? So that is something very important.
In the first class itself, we will give you complete information on how to find work, how to apply and preparation required to be part of industry. After successful completion of training, your voice samples will become part of India's top ranking voice bank, deepakvoice.com. You will also keep getting project updates and chances to participate and work with us.
And does this course also include any business skills training like marketing or as in marketing myself or finding clients where and how or setting rates for myself?
Yes, all necessary information relevant to voiceover work will be provided during the training.
And is there any specific genre or niche area that you train students for? For example, I think I'm more interested in audiobook narrations or documentary narrations and corporate narrations instead of actual voice acting. But at this point, I'm open to learn and figure out what I'm actually good at. But if there is a niche that you're interested or if you're going to teach students, then I need to know if that is something that I can choose.
We cover all types of industry works like storytelling, promos, corporate films, e-learning, TV ads, narrations, film, IVR, cartoon dubbing, voice acting and much more. To see our project works and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.
And another thing is, what kind of support do you offer after the course is completed?
You will keep getting jobs and project updates from us, and for your continuous learning, you will get chance to participate in our projects. Plus, you can always connect with us for any support for your future projects without any hesitation.